Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll begin with chapter 2, addition and subtraction. In the previous classes you have done the questions based on addition and subtraction, that is up to 3 digit numbers. Now we will begin with 4 digit numbers. I'll explain you how to add and subtract the 4 digit numbers. So it is nothing different, it is similar to what you have done with 3 digits. So let us just have some examples and I'll explain you. If suppose you need to add 2117 and 4285. Now suppose you need to add these. What you will do, you will first write down them in the form of column. Column method में लिखोगे. What you will do, first write down the given number, the first number 2417. Then below this you will write the second number. लेकिन सेकेंड नंबर कोशिश करना आप कहां से स्टार्ट करोगे, यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम द राइट डिजिट, राइट हैंड साइड जो वंस प्लेस है. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन 5, देन राइट डाउन 8, देन 2 and then 4 and now add it. So addition, again you have to start from the right side, that is ones place. So 7 plus 5, कभी भी एडिशन को जो है लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट नहीं करना, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. सो 7 plus 5 it is 12, write down 2 and 1 will be carried. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 carried. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 gives you 7, nothing to carry. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. So you can see it is same as you do for the 3 digit numbers. Nothing extra is there to apply. Only the thing you have to keep in mind is while writing the digits, आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि जब आप digits या numbers को एक दूसरे के नीचे लिखते हो तो digit से digit मैच करना चाहिए. जो ones digit है वो ones digit के नीचे ही आएगा, जो second number का tens digit है वो first number के tens digit के नीचे लिखना. For example, now if we take another example, say 8257 and you have to add only 928. Now here what you will do, you will again write it in the same way. उसी तरह से लिखेंगे, पहले first number लिखा हमने 8257 plus अब 928. Here there are only 3 digits, यहाँ सिर्फ 3 digits हैं. So it is better you start from the ones digit. इसलिए मैंने कहा था कि आप यहाँ से ones digit से लिखना स्टार्ट करोगे तो गलती नहीं होगी. 8 will be written below 7, 2 will be written below 5, 9 will be written below 2. अब आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे एक डिजिट हमारे पास खाली रह जाती है, और अगर आप ये 9 से लिखना स्टार्ट कर दो और कहीं गलती से 8 के नीचे 9 लिख दोगे तो आपका क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. इट विल बी रॉन्ग. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल राइटिंग इट इन द कॉलम्स. नाउ स्टार्ट एडिंग एंड अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू एड इट फ्रॉम द ones digit, that is from the right side. So 7 plus 8 it is 15, 1 carried. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, nothing to carry. Then 2 plus 9 11, 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9185 is your sum. Now if there are 3 numbers, suppose you are given say 2048 plus, let us take 714 and then plus, let us take 3294. If there are 3 numbers, then also nothing to worry, we will do it the same way. 2048, first write down the first number, then 714, start writing it from the ones digit. 4 will be written here, 1 here and 7 here. Now write down the next number. So 4, 9, 2, 3 and then add all these together. Now अब आप इनको ऐड कर. Now you see here there is one blank space. अब यहाँ पे blank space है, कोई confusion नहीं रहे इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 0 लिख देंगे. नहीं भी लिखोगे, जैसे हमने ये क्वेश्चन किया था इसमें हमने 0 नहीं लिखा, there will be no issue, there is no problem in it, but if you want you can write it. So now start adding. 8 plus 4 plus 4, it is 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, 1 carried. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 9 is 15. So again 1 carried. Now 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 2, this is 10, 1 carried. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3, this is 6. So you get 6056. This was about addition, and same is about subtraction also. Subtraction में भी हम इसी तरह से करेंगे. The only thing is that you have to be little bit more careful in subtracting, because more chances are there to make mistakes in subtraction. Suppose you need to subtract 7214 and 2823. Now if you need to subtract these, अब इन्हें अगर subtract करना है, then what you will do? You will again start from the ones digit. यहीं से हम start करेंगे इसको. 3 subtracted from 4. 4 minus 3, it is 1. Now next, 1 minus 2. You cannot subtract 2 from 1. 2 को 1 में से minus नहीं कर सकते. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will borrow from the next digit. 1 से पहले जो digit है उसमें से borrow करेंगे. And you will be left with 1 here. यहाँ से हमने 1 borrow किया तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 1. And what about this 1? This becomes 11. So now from 11 you have to subtract 2. If you subtract 2 from 11, you get 9. Now again 8 cannot be subtracted from 1. So in order to subtract it, again we will borrow 1 from 7. So if you borrow 1 from 7, it is 6 here, and here it becomes 11. So 11 minus 8, it is 3, and 6 minus 2, it is 4. So this is the difference. Now you will have to be more careful if there is zeros in between. If a digit is having 0, then you will have to be more careful. For example, say 6021 and you are subtracting 2874. Now here you cannot subtract 4 from 1. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the previous digit, that is 2, and here you are left with 2, 1, and 1 when borrowed here it becomes 11. So 11 minus 4, when you do, it is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now here 1 is left, so you cannot again subtract 7 from 1. 7 में से 1 minus नहीं किया जा सकता. Then what we will do? We will borrow from 0. But is it possible? No. So we will borrow from 6. So from 6 when you borrow, here you are left with 5. Now here ये जो यहाँ से हमने 1 borrow किया है वो सीधे यहाँ नहीं आएगा, वो पहले किसके पास जाएगा? It will go to 0, and this 0 becomes 10. Then from 10 you will borrow 1. So here you will be left with 9, and this 1 becomes 11. So now from 11 you have to subtract 7. So 11, if you subtract 7, you have 4. Then from 9 if you subtract 8, it is 1. And from 5 if you subtract 2, it is 3. So this is how you have to subtract the 4-digit numbers. Be careful while subtracting especially. So this is there for today, and for your homework, from your exercise 2, that is on page number 17, you have to do the first 3 questions in notebook. Complete question 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.